What's up, bitches? Listen to this. The Vandals were a Germanic people who first inhabited what is now southern Poland. They established Vandal kingdoms on the Iberian Peninsula, Mediterranean islands, and fucking North Africa in the 5th century. Hell yeah, motherfuckers. Hear this, fuckers. Very little is known about the fucking Vandalic language itself, but it is believed to be of the My Brothers yet East Germanic linguistic branch, like Gothic. The Vandals under Genseric crossed to my fucking favorite continent Africa in 429. Although numbers are unknown, and some historians debate the validity of estimates, based on Procopius' assertion that the Vandals and Alans numbered 80,000 when they moved to North Africa, Peter Heather estimates that they could have fielded an army of around 15,000 to 20,000 fucking hell. In 405, the Vandals advanced from Pannonia traveling west along the Danube without much difficulty, but when they reached the Rhine, they met resistance from the Franks, who populated and controlled Romanized regions in northern Gaul. According to the Frigeridas fragment cited by Gregory of Tours, around 20,000 fucking Vandals, including Godegisel himself, died in this Vandal-Frankish war. So sad. But then with the help of the Alans they managed to defeat the Franks, and on December 31st, 405 the Vandals crossed the Rhine, probably while it was frozen, to invade Gaul, which they devastated terribly. Under Godegisel's son Gunderic, the Vandals plundered their way westward and southward through Aquitaine.